Are you struggling to sell your home? I'm Katie Taylor with the Goodman Taylor team at Keller Williams Sonoran Living. We have some tips today that are going to help you sell your home faster in this market. Some of the pricing problems people are facing have to do with the market changing so quickly that they're overpricing their home, even unintentionally. It's really important that we price the home appropriately for the market. This way, we're not sitting on the market as a stale listing, meaning when a buyer looks, they see that your house has been on there for 60 days and they think, I'm going to get a bargain. I'm going to offer under list price and see what I can get away with. We'd rather have your house go under contract quickly for the appropriate amount instead of potentially losing money in the end because we started high. The second problem we're facing are product problems. So while we have low inventory, we also have low demand. Inventory is changing every day, and right now our inventory is going up. What that means is that a home that doesn't show as well as the neighbor on the other block is going to go under contract later and eventually for less money than the home that set themselves up from the beginning to show well, to smell good, to be warm and inviting, and priced appropriately. The third problem is marketing problems. You're not going to sell your house unless buyers hear about it. 90% of buyers still find their homes on the internet, and that's where we focus our attention for marketing your home. We also market your home internationally, and this helps because we have a lot of buyers coming into Arizona from different states and even different countries. It allows them to see your home online. Then we can set up a virtual tour if they're not in the state or in the country so that we can get it sold possibly even before somebody stepped foot in the house. So our group helps market your home by starting with professional photography. We have your home looking perfect in those photos, so perfect that people can't wait to come in and take a look at it in person. We also schedule open houses for opening weekend so that we can get the most amount of buyers through the door so that they can experience what you love about the home. We focus a lot of our efforts in marketing online, so we do a lot of social media and a lot of Google and a lot of website advertising. Your house is going to be seen on over 700 popular websites. These are just 3 of the reasons your home might not be selling. I would love to talk to you about your specific case and see what we could do to help you sell it differently. I'm Katie Taylor with the Goodman Taylor team, and I look forward to working with you.